this video, we continue to the recap of 2.5 chapter, talking about the dictionary. In Chinese, this is the 字典. So in our GitHub, you can see here under part 1, we already have our chapter 2's first 4 chapters sample code there. Let's create our new 2-5 py, and we can use this to discuss about the dictionary. So from the structure, we can have a look. So here you can see dictionary. We will have our understanding about the new creation and access dictionary by 3 different functions. And also, we will try to see how to add, how to modify, how to delete. So those are similar logic for helping you how to process or operate dictionary as the data type. So let's moving on to this book. So first, let's do this our 2.5.1 new create dict. So we can use the short as the dict to make the dictionary. So first is my dict1 is dict. You start with these keywords, then with these parentheses, then that will create our blank disk dictionary. So we can immediately type my dict1. And also my dict1. You can use tab to have the auto complete. So running that, it should tell you the class now or the type is DICT is the dictionary. So that is the first way you can create a dictionary. So the second way is you can use these curly braces. That is the standard way for the old signal symbol for the dictionary. So then let's have the second one. With a save, now you create another the blank dictionary. So that is the ways you can make your the creation. So let's comments and moving on. So the dictionary compared to list, the difference is they are not create value after value inside the storage of the list. They create by this key value. So if you are familiar with like a JSON, the type of the document, actually you may familiar is you use this the colon between the these two this key and this is value. So you can use this pair to make your value to create and stored in the dictionary. So let's create another one. So we have this. So instead of this, actually you cannot easily see this comma colon. So my recommendation is you use this way. So you have enter, and every key value pair occupy one line. So then with our the comma, you can see this is my first key value pair. Then second, if I use the colon, then I can have this. So second pair, the key is 2, the value is the our character 2, or you can say that's a string 2. So you have the third one. We use the the float as the key, and then we see the value is 3, and the 4 is you can use a boolean as the key, and then the this value is our string. And also remember last time we talked about tuple. So if you have our parentheses, but inside you have our value with our comma, then that is the tuple, not like our mathematic with the parentheses. So you can also use this. The last pair you don't need are this comma. So actually this gave you the dictionary. So now let's print this type and print this value. So let's see. So here we have the dict type and is print all of this. So compare this to what you have defined is you have the double quote. Now it's all just standardized as the single quote. So that's just ensure is they have the simplify and the standardize this display. And then you can also realize is the key in our dictionary can be any type of the data, can be the string, can be our float, integer, boolean, even our tuple. So, but first is you cannot use a list. So as the key because all of those are mentioned is as the not changeable type. So, but you can feel is this is not clear anyway. But so normally is we use our unique key sequence to do such kind of the dictionary definition. So that is just one way. So we are moving forward. So okay, so let's see. We comment all of them, then move to the 2.2. So access the elements in dict. So that is what we are going to do. So first is we create another dict. So remember is my suggested way is just like this. So you will have a very this easier way. So first pair is name. Second pair is very clean format. Is age. Age is integer, and height is unknown. So unknown is another flow or the string. So we use this one, and then we say name is my dict. You use this the brackets, and then you give our key. Then print name. So let's do the print. So print name. You gave a key as the indicator. Then what you print is actually is the value applied to the variable you give. And also you can just directly print without create another variable. It's you can use this like the list. You can directly visit another key, and then they give you the value for this key. And print my dict. So height. So if you have that key inside exist in your dict, you can see the auto complete. But if that is not in your list, so when you print that, you will get our arrow. So let's examine this arrow. Is they are saying line 28 have an arrow and key arrow because this key not exist in this list or this dictionary. So that is the thing we need to prevent. And then let's comment those. And what we will continue to do is we will create our gender. So now we have a 3 key value pair, and we will make our gender equal to my dict dot get gender confidential. So let's print my dict. So now let's see here. You see, this not get put into the dictionary. So what we will make is the dictionary object offer this get method to get our data. But when you have that, this kind of get method is not provide you the arrow anymore, because you can now print gender they will give this gender as a key and the value is confidential. So get is apply this key value, but actually this is not added into your dictionary. So that is the difference. So we can keep adding something, like we add this address is my dict get address, but we don't give a value for that. So print type address. Let's see what's that address. So we got class address is none. So we may talk about none type after the set, but now you get is the address type is none because you didn't give our this kind of the value. So let's do this address somewhere. Let's see. So now what's the arrow or the type is a string, because when you try to type this, they will give you this the values type. Let's see if I see is value is actually our integer. You see here is an integer. So that is the difference. If you use the get method, you need to give our key value change. So let's see somewhere. So we stop here. Then that is our the get method. So let's see. So get method. And we continue use our this list dictionary. So let me save. So we will try to export those keys and export those values. So if we have this dictionary, so we can print my dict keys. Just try to remember these keys. Then they will print dict keys. So dict underscore keys. That is the there is a key words, and then all the keys is here. Then similarly is we have you can also guess that we have keys, we must have values. So the values, then they give this value, so it's just as a sequence. And if I want to print all things, then I have this my dict items. So you can use these three all the times. And then these compared to if I just print this, let me print here. We have this one. Let's compare. So first is the print, just print this all with the dictionary name. They print this dictionary as our dictionary. But if you print this as with these keys, values, or items, the method, then they create this started with the keywords, then it's generate a list for you. So that is here is also a list and with this pair. So that is the difference you use to print dictionary.items compared to just the dictionary parts. So you can try to see how to use that. So we comment this one, and that's for our 2.5.2. So always comments O. Then we come to 2.5253, add elements into dict. So let's continue. So we make this uncommon. So we have this 18 age, name, and over height. So what we will do is dict. So remember here, if you just assign our parameter, this variable is not actually adding to in your dictionary. But what we will need to do is we will create our key and assign a value. That the way is you will add our pair. So we give a gender and we say male. And now you print my dict. So let's also uncomment this. Now you can see first you have a 3 key value pair. After you run this the my dict with these are the brackets and with a key. Key is with these double quotes. Then give our value. So value is not necessary as our string. It can be any type of the things. And remember, you can also use different type of the non-changeable the items as your key. So that's the thing is. But anyway, now you have our one more key value pair here. So that is the end. I can keep adding my dict. Now I see his phone number is so just like this, and I will generate another print. So if I save, you will see the keep adding into the dictionary. And you can print this, and now we have that. So that is very simple. You just give a key and assign a value. But you need to use these brackets. But you can also use this this kind of the update the fine. So let's use another way. So we have our the original the dictionary. Now is we use my dict dot update. So dot update is now you are using this the parentheses. Remember my recommendation is if you have multiple line or multiple items, I really suggest you just use this formatted with the tab. So that will help you ensures you don't get the errors when you key in more things. So you can key in a lot of the pair. So unknown. So we already have this 2. So we don't need to put that because we have this 3. So now let's see. I want the gender and the male and phone. And address somewhere. You don't need our comma in the last, but here you see, if I miss this one, I suppose I will get an error. So the error, let's read this. Learning the error message is also one way of the practice. Invalid syntax, perhaps you forgot a comma. So you can see here is a very user-friendly. I add a comma, save. Now I get, I didn't save completely, I believe. So now what I have is, this is my print, and after I update, I can do another print. So compare. So we have a new gender, phone, address, key value. So that is the two method you can use to add the things. And another thing is this set default. This method you need to transfer together the key and the value. So that is used to set default value, but not the added value. So if you already have this age, it's not change your dictionary. But if you don't have or height, they will add this into the this dictionary. So this one I'm not using that too much. So I will skip. You can try yourself. So let's moving on to you can also use set default. Okay, so that let's go to the 2.5.4. So modify the dict elements. So this actually is quite the direct. If you have our this let's just save time. You have a dictionary. You can print this. But whenever you can print, you can just assign another number, so or another value. So that is the exact same thing is like what you did for your the list, not tuple. So here, first this age is 18. After that is I create another assignment and just assign this to 19, then it will be 19. So you can just treat this as a variable. So you assign this as a variable, then you can give another value. So that's nothing different. And we can also use the update to do the modification, because update, if there's no not exist in the dictionary, they will create or new. But if they have to exist in the dictionary, then that means that they will update. So also can use update to modify. So actually update using their wording meaning. So it's just primarily is used to modify, and they can also do this new edit, because new add from our none is also our update to the dictionary. So we delete element from dict. So what's how the delete? It just we also try this in earlier phase. So not in the tuple, but in here. So I think we have this delete here. You remember? So delete my list, or delete my list as certain the elements. So because the dictionary is also changeable, not like a tuple. So you can use this delete feature. So delete my dictionary. You give our key, then you delete this key value chain. So let me see here. So first, you generate our two key value chain dictionary. After you delete age, it's only left our name, not age, and that is the first print. And if you try to delete something not exist in your dictionary, they will generate our arrow called key arrow. So key arrow will also match this here. So if we don't have our key or exist in our the dictionary before, and you want to print out this key, you'll get the same arrow. So try to familiar with the arrow message. Arrow is not things we should be afraid of. Once you familiar is which type of the operation generate what type of the arrow, you will have a better control on your program and have the better the confidence for your coding. So, but anyway, that is the first delete, and let's common stays. And also we can use pop, like processing our stack. So we have this tool. So let me first let's mydict.update. So let's see. So we can use the update. Update is first is the parentheses. So within that is this this curly braces, because I just want to add one. So unknown. So let me print. So I should generate our 3 key value. So now I have this one on my hand. Then delete data1. So we assign this not the keywords is one of our the variables. So I use my dict pop age. So pop is I put this age out. So even this in the middle, you can pop that, and then we can print. One is what I have on this variable, and my dict. So now as we can compare. First we have 3 key value. Now is we pop, and this pop is get this value from the key. And the result is this key value chain is removed from, obviously it's deleted from your dictionary. So let's, because this you gave our the valid this key. So now let's give our invalid gender, because we don't have that. You want to pop that. So you will get our key arrow. So let's first common stays. So you will get our arrow. So and similarly is my dict. This is you try to assign that as our variable. But if you don't do that assignment, you just do our operation. So you see here, we don't have a phone. So then you get this key arrow as well. So phone is generate the arrow. So and let's make comments of this. Then the last is we have this 3 already, and we want to do our clear. Clear is just to make your the dictionary gone. So now what we got is you still have our dictionary definition, and it's cleared all the contents. So now it's an empty dictionary. So I hope those lines of practice give you some memory back on your dictionary tactic. So let's later on to see the last, I think, last of the 4 or 6 is the set for the data type. After that is we move to talk quickly on the none, then we will move to the 2.8. Thank you for watching. See you later.